Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to write a tagline in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To write a tagline, we will use the GPT function. For this example, we will write a tagline for a fruit. First, click on the designated cell, then type this formula. $GPT, open a round bracket, double quotation marks, then write a tagline for, which serves as our prompt, double quotation mark, comma, then click the cell containing the fruit you want to create a tagline for, then type close round bracket. Press Enter, and after a few moments, the extension will generate a tagline. I will not do this for the rest of the data because it takes up some loading time, but if you want to apply this for all the data, click the cell with the formula and hover over the bottom right corner where you see a small blue circle. Your cursor should transform into crosshairs. Click the circle and drag down, and Google Sheets will copy the formula until you stop dragging, and the results will show in the respective cells. So, that is how you write a tagline in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.